Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to show you that how to edit your outdoor images in Photoshop with a very simple way and different techniques. So let's start the video. Before starting, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. First of all, open Photoshop and import your image in Photoshop. If you want to download this image, then the link of this image is in the description of this video. You can download it for the practice. First of all, select the background layer, press Ctrl J to make a copy of this layer. Now hide the background layer. By selecting the layer 1, click here, then select curve. Now press and hold Alt key on your keyboard and then click on auto. Now there are 4 algorithms which we can use for your images, but I prefer to use find dark and light colors. You can check snap neutral midtones, and here is a save as default. If you check this one, press OK. Now if I do this one, now whenever you make a curves layer, then select the auto, then it will make that settings which we have saved in the find light, dark and light colors. So you can save this as default. Now press Ctrl Shift T to merge these layers, and you can see this that how clearly it's add the bluish look in our image. Now let's make some adjustments in the camera raw. Press Ctrl Shift A to open camera raw. Go to tone curves, make highlights, go to details, and here when you increase the amount, then you cannot see that which areas are being affected. If you hold Alt key and then decrease or increase the slider, then you can see this that the black areas are being affected by this slider. So it will help you a lot. Press and hold Alt key, then increase the radius. Press and hold Alt key, increase the details. As you can see that how amazingly we color grade this image. Now go to layer, then select new adjustment layers, then select color balance, select OK. Ctrl Shift E to merge these layers. Go to layer, select new adjustment layers, then select levels, I click on auto. You can simply hold and press Alt key and select auto. Now select find dark and light colors, select snap neutral midtones, and then press OK. Press Ctrl Shift E to merge these layers. Now click here, then select gradient. Double click here, then select the yellow color. Press OK. Select the radial. Increase its scale. Now press OK. Blend this to the soft light. Double click here. Now again double click here and then select the orange color. Press OK. Okay. I think linear light is perfect for my image. One 140 is perfect for my image. Press OK. You can set it wherever you want. Then you can simply decrease its opacity. Off it. Press Ctrl Shift E to merge these layers. Click here, then select gradient map. Double click here, then select this one, press OK. Blend this layer to the multiply. Make its opacity about 60%. Fill to about 30% or 40. I think 30 is perfect for my image. Click here, then select color lookup, then select edge amber. Make its opacity about 30 and fill about 30. Now again press Ctrl Shift A to open camera. So this is the before and this is the after, and as you can see that how amazingly we color grade our image in the Photoshop. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos.